Good morning. Welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this presentation, we are going to see how you should have applied the simple day trading strategy yesterday to gain success in day trading. Before looking into that, we want to share a few words. If you are a new visitor or if you are following this for the first time, please go to our website www.onlinecommoditytradingmcx.com, where you can find the video tutorials part 1, part 2, and so many video tutorials. Every day we are posting this video presentation and we are clarifying all your doubts, so that you can also know who should apply this strategy and for whom we have designed this strategy, what you can expect from this strategy, how to follow this strategy, and everything. You can have a detailed explanation there. So please watch those videos and then come back and watch it again. So as we had promised all the clients and the viewers, that every day we are clarifying all your doubts. So please follow us continuously. Day by day we are improvising this strategy, so please don't miss our video presentations every day. Now let us move on to the key part our presentation. So you can see this long ash color candlestick that indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere around 6,350. As we had mentioned you earlier, every time the first signals, we will not be using the first signal, because we know that after the price opening there will be a lot of buying and selling happening based on the rupee also. Now the market should adjust for the rupee factor, which is playing an important role. So the first signal normally we used to leave it and we'll wait for the second signals. So let's see that now we had a sell signal. What we do is that as you all know, look at the length of the candlestick. Approximately to half the length of the candlestick you will place a sell order, and above the previous colored candlestick side you place a stop loss order. Make a note that don't place a stop loss order at once. Only after entering into the trade place your stop loss order. So just for educational purpose, I am doing it just to save some time. I am doing it at once. So I'll be waiting, and now we got into the trade. So now let's see whether we made something or not. No, our stop loss got triggered. So that's a very good news. The first trade itself we got our stop loss trigger, so we'll be active after this. The second trade, now we had another signal. So approximately to half the length of this candlestick I'll be placing my buy order, and below the previous colored candlestick low I am placing my stop loss order. So I am going to wait. Here's something we made some few profits here to cover the loss what we made earlier. Now let us see whether to what extent the profit would have gone. It's consolidating, it's finding a strong resistance here, like what happened during the price opening. So it's finding a resistance. At last just it triggered our stop, and it provided us another signal. So let's consider that we are also stopped out. Even it provided, as we always say, that this is designed to produce minimum of 6 points. Even though it provided us some profit, we consider this as a loss, just because this is for educational purpose. We are doing this presentation. Again we got one buy candlestick signal, which indicates that the price is likely to move up. So approximately, don't do some mathematics here or do some rocket science. Just look at the length of the candlestick. Approximately to half the length of the candlestick, place your order and place your stop order here below the previous colored candlestick low. That's all. It is very simple. Here we want to explain you in detail about this simple thing. So many clients have asked us this question. So we will be clarifying you again and again till every clients and all the traders are clarified. If you notice that the stop loss is big higher here, so it comes around, if you count it 1 2 3 4 approximately, it comes around 12 to 11 point stop loss. Not 12, approximately it comes around 14 point stop loss. So if you feel that this stop loss is bit higher, what you should do, we had explained it yesterday on the previous day. Now also we are going to explain it again. Wait for the price to enter into the trade. Don't place your trade. You know that when the price is going to enter into this zone, you will be into this trade. Wait for the price to enter into the trading zone, then wait for a pull down. After entering here, if the price is moving going straight away, and it's going to provide you a breakout, then you are going to miss this opportunity. This is the two-way. Whether you take this risk and enjoy the profit, or you want to be conservative. If you want to be conservative, wait for the price to enter into the zone, then normally the price will provide you a pull down. It will come down, then enter into the trade so that you can minimize this stop loss. If you want to be aggressive, then go as such with the strategy. So this is one simple explanation we can provide for clients who have minimum investment in their trading accounts and doing day trading. So we had clarified it like how it sees that price entered into the zone. If you are a conservative trader, don't place your order, wait for the price to provide you some pull down. Now you can see the price had provided you some pull down. Now at this particular zone, now you are comfortable with a stop loss of some 10 points, then enter into the trade. So now you made some few profits. So the price provided us a few profit, but now we will run and see how to what extent we had made profit. No, the price market didn't provide us a sufficient profit. Since this tutorial, this presentation is for educational purpose, we again consider that we are into this loss. So there are three continuous loss. I think I see that three continuous loss here. So let us move on and see what we can make, because we need a very big profit now to cover all those loss and to reach our target. So we keep on doing this as a day trader. This is your only job for doing. So now you can see the price had provided us an indication, so I'll be placing my sell order here. So now this is going to be the crucial time for me. Why? Because I've made some continuous loss. Sometimes it provided me 5-6 point profit. I'm not happy with that. So let me see whether I can catch some big trades. So now I'm into the trade. So my stop loss is here. So this should provide me some good profit. Yes. This is what we expected from the market. It provided me a very good profit, so that I can continuously do my trading. Hopefully I enjoy making some profit. So you may wonder, asking this simple question, how to run profit. So you when the market is moving down, how to run this profit, how to make profit, how to maximize my profit using this strategy. Please watch our presentation for the coming days. We will be answering you. So what I did is that after booking profit, I will be taking the second trade also. The market had provided us a consolidation. So this is my first big profit for this particular day. I consider that approximately to half the length of the candlestick I had placed the order. Now you can see 1 2 3 4 5. So it is going to be a 20 point stop loss. This is the one area which we explained you clearly in the earlier presentation, taking an example. So if you feel the stop loss is going to be high, what you should do, wait for the price to enter into the trading zone, then again you wait for a pullback. So approximately it will come down to your comfortable stop loss zone, then you take a trade or leave it, because this system is designed to provide you good entry points, lot of entry points. This is not the only entry point you have, so you need to depend on it. That depends upon the traders. Again we are saying that depends upon the available fund you have in your trading account. This is a false candlestick. We had identified the false candlestick by using this strategy. Now we got a buy signal. So what I do is that I will try to catch this buy signal approximately to half the length of the candlestick. You place my buy and sell order. Don't do some rocket science, don't do some scientific research here by calculating the length and dividing by 2. Don't put your mathematical formulas, all your brains down here. It's very simple. Look at the length, approximately to half the length, place your trade. Then your stop loss is very mandatory. Please make a note of it. Now I'll be waiting whether I'm into this trade. No, again I had identified a false candlestick. So now luck is in my favor, I think so, because initially we made some few losses. Now we are escaping from the losses. So now again we had one entry point. So let me see whether I can take it. Yes, here I will be placing my trade order. So I will be placing my stop. So if you consider that the stop is high, apply the strategy what I told earlier. So now we will enter into the trade. Since the stop loss is higher, what we do, if we are conservative, wait for the price to enter into the zone, so wait for a pull down, then pick some zone where you feel this stop loss is comfortable. So that is a simple explanation we can provide you. Now we will wait and see. Yes. After a while, now we got our stop triggered. So what we'll be doing is that here we got another opportunity. As I told you, every single candlestick we are not going to miss it. If the candlestick is very tiny, I am going to be so generous. So please make a note. If you found a small tiny candlestick like it, take the full length of the candlestick, because why we are following this simple rule? In order to avoid false candlestick. So now let us see whether we are into this trade. Yes, we are into this trade here. You may ask a simple question. So after you can see the price gave a pullback. If I had placed my stop loss here, so I just missed at this point, I would have placed my stop loss here. So without entering into the trade, the price is coming back, so I identify this as a false candlestick. Then where I should consider my second trade, you can after this ash candlestick, you can find this you found this red color candlestick. You can approximately take half the length of the candlestick and you can place an order here and your stop loss here. That's all. It's very simple. Now let's see whether because only one time we made some big profit, so we need something again like the same thing in order to sustain and make some good profit. Yes, we made some profit, so I'll be deleting all these lines. Now let's see whether we can move into the next trade, whether we can find a good opportunity. Here we got a good opportunity. So 2 times we made some profit only in the sell type. By selling we made some profit 2 times. By in buying we made some losses so many times. Now it's time for the market to give us some profit through buying. So this is where my stop loss is here. So let's see that yeah, again we got triggered. So this is going to be the tough time for us. So continuously we will be doing it to see till what can happen. So again we are saying that this is the length of the candlestick, approximately to half the length. You can see the stop loss is going to be a bit higher. We had provided you a solution for this. This is a false candlestick, might be yes, to some certain extent it identified as a false candlestick. Since this is for educational purpose, we will consider this trade, and we made some good profit. So soon you should be exiting from this profit, because we know that we are running short of profit. So we made some profit and I am deleting this. I will be waiting for the second signal again. Yes, again we got some buy. So if you see that for so many times we made some losses only in buying, but as a part of this we need to follow this strategy to half the length of the candlestick, and below the previous colored candlestick low I should place my stop loss. So here again we got a buy. So what we are expecting is that at least it will provide us some good profit. It gave us some good profit, but now let us run and see that. So after making some good profit, I'll be deleting this line in order to avoid confusion. So yeah, it had provided us a wonderful profit. So 3 times we got some big profit, not 3 times, 4 times we had some big profit. This is the first time, 4th time we got some profit in buying. So how many times we were in loss? If we are keeping a count on that, we can say that at least some 5 times we were in loss. Now it's 4th time we were in profit. So if I am right, please correct. If I am wrong, please do correct me. So we had a signal here, so approximately to half the length, and how I had placed it to make it very easy. So here we were into this trade. Let me see whether we are stopped out. Yes, after a profit we are stopped out here. Now we had another tiny signal here, we missed it. So we will be taking it again. So you can see approximately half the length we are placing this order. So now let us see. Yes, we made some few profit, so we will come out of this position. So this is one way. Now you can see that out of how many times we had made some loss and how many times we had made profit. So it comes around at least 5 times we had made around loss, and now at least 4 times we had made some profit. Now we will still run the case. Here we had an entry point. So what we should do is that to half the length I should place my sell order. Here I will be placing my stop. So let's see that whether we are making some good profit. Yes, again a beautiful high profitable position. So what I'll do is that I am going to delete it. Now we are even. I think we are even now. We made some loss and profit, both are equal. But if you see the swings, all the profitable swings, how much big swings we had, So we will be answering this question. Please follow our presentation for the coming days. We will tell you how to maximize your profit by using this strategy. Slowly and steadily we are pushing the gear, pushing the accelerator actually. So what I'm going to do is that even I'm not going to miss a single entry point. As you know that now the time is around 10 o'clock. I'm not going to miss even a single, since this is for educational purpose. I'll be taking all the trades in order to show you uh, how this works. This is a false candlestick. Now the luck is also doing some bit of favor for us. It's identifying the false candlestick here. If we had taken this candlestick also, this entry, the next candlestick entry also, we would have made some good profit. Now I am waiting for the signal. Why I didn't place an order for this? Suddenly it changed, shifted its gear. So sometimes few traders may miss this opportunity. Anyhow, we take this into account. We would have made some profit here. Here the market had provided us a signal. Now you can see the time, it's around 10:30. So what we'll do is that simply I place an order here and I place my stop loss here. Let's wait and see whether I am in this trade. No, it is a false candlestick. So now at the end of the trading closing time, we are witnessing some few false candlesticks. This is quite normal in any trading session. So this is what again we had identified a false candlestick. It directly went and triggered the stop. So now I had so you can see the time. Now it's around 11 o'clock. So what I will do is that this candlestick is very tiny. To the full length of the candlestick we will place it, and we will place a stop loss. So as I promised you, we will be doing this till the end of the day. So you need not do in the same way. That is what we are advising. Since this is for educational purpose, I am trying to tell you and trying to clarify all your doubts. It is not necessary that you should do in the same way how we are doing this trading, because once you reach your profit as a day trader repeatedly again and again, we are saying the same thing. If you are a day trader, you should have an objective, which means that you should have a trading plan. So what we are discussing here is trading strategy. How can you identify a winning trading strategy? You can simply identify and judge a winning trading strategy by seeing the possible outcomes. At least a strategy should have 50-50 chance of winning. You can Google it and find by so many big successful traders. They had written books and articles about this. A simple trading strategy which can provide you more than 50% chance of success is going to be a very good trading strategy. Here whatever we are discussing is trading strategy. It is not the trading plan. Trading plan is different, trading strategy is different. So what is a trading plan? A trading plan should include your objectives. It should have how much you want to make every day, what is the amount of exposure you are going to take for reaching this particular goal, how much investment you have, how you are going to apply your money management techniques to reach your goals in long term, short term, within a particular day. So these are all comes under trading plan. Your trading strategy, this is what we have, the simple trading strategy that can make your trading plan highly successful. So if you have any doubt, as we already we are repeatedly saying the same thing, we have one-to-one training session. So if you are our client, please contact us. We have one-to-one training session, no group training. So discuss you how to design your trading plan to make this strategy highly successful. So thanks a lot for watching our videos.